Hey there. So today we tour Willow Creek. It's a newer subdivision, Southeast Wichita. It's near Aire and Greenwich and McConnell Air Force Base. Klausmeyer is the builder at this location, several different floor plans to choose from, and homes do start in the $150,000 range. So the first part of this video, you'll see the neighborhood. I basically drive you up and down the streets, get a look at all the different types of houses in here, and later in the video I show you several different open concept floor plans, homes on the interior. Of course, like I said, there's a couple different floor plans. So if you're interested in new construction in Wichita, give me a call. We can start discussions. And also this has a playground in the area as well. So let's check out this awesome, affordable neighborhood near McConnell Air Force Base.
All right, so Willow Creek is right here. You can see this blue dot, and let's pull out, so it's on the Greenwich and Aire, as you can see, at the corner of, and then you just come in this section here and find section 2 and 3 are right in this area. You can see it's in the southwest if we pull out. Southwest of Wichita. There you go. I'm sorry, southeast. Here's the west side. Here's the east side. You got Eastboro, Andover, and we're right down here with this blue dot. So that is the location.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to tell me your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. And you can also take a look at a lot of other neighborhood videos I have posted on this channel, east, west, north, south, all over Wichita, different cities, Derby, Maize, Haysville, Andover. So I have tons of information to share with you. So give me a holler at any time. And until next video, have a great day.